Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be looking at how to fix Gauth app not working. You see, if the Gauth app is not working, I'm going to give you some troubleshooting steps to help you resolve the issue. Now we have some common issues and we have their solutions. Let's start with the first common issue, which is app not opening. Now if your app is not opening, what do? 1. Check if the app is updated to the latest version. If it's not, update it. Then if that doesn't work, try restarting your device. That is, uninstall and reinstall the device. That is the third step you can take. Those 3 steps should be able to solve your app not opening problem. Now, if your problem is a case of authentication codes not working, what do? First step, ensure that your device or clock is synchronized. Ensure that your device's clock is synchronized with the correct time. Then you check if the app is configured correctly for the specific account. Then try rescanning the QR code or re-entering the secret key. Now that should solve the problem of authentication codes not working. Now if it's a problem of QR codes scanner not working, what do? 1. Ensure that your device's camera is working correctly. 2. Try restarting the app or your device. 3. Check if the QR code is damaged or incorrectly formatted. These 3 should help to fix the problem. Now, if it's a problem of the account not syncing, what do? 1. Check your internet connection. 2. Ensure that the app is configured correctly for the specific account. And 3. Try resyncing the account or restarting the app. Now, those are for the specific problems, but I'm going to give you an advanced troubleshooting step also to take. 1. Clear app data and cache. You know how to clear app data and cache. You go to the device settings, click on the app, and from app, you select Gauth and then you choose clear data and cache under the app information. Next, if you want to check for conflicting apps, because there are some apps that might conflict with Gauth, so please try uninstalling and disabling the conflicting app. Then you can also have a case of where you want to reset the Gauth app. How do you do it? Go to your device settings, select apps, and then select Gauth, and then you see option for restart. So just restart the app to its default settings. Let me give you some additional tips. You see, you always need to check the Gauth app support page. Visit the official support page for troubleshooting guides and frequently asked questions. Also, don't forget you can also reach out to Gauth support team for personalized assistance. Also, regularly update your device operating system and the Gauth app to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. By following the troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the Gauth app not working. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.